Hey guys.
Hi guys, today I am joined by my precious sister and we are going to be doing fidget toys reviews. So, for the first fidget toy, me and Violet will close our eyes and pick. Okay, Violet, you pick. Ooh, what's that she's got? Surprise, surprise. Look what she's got. Show the camera. Okay, and now I'm going to close my eyes.
Wait.
And I'm going to pick. Ooh. I'm going to pick this. Ooh, an infinity cube.
And this is a puppet.
So, do you want to go first or shall I?
I'll go.
Okay. Actually, I'll go. Yeah, you go. There we go. You talk about your
Yes.
puppet.
Yes. My puppet, yeah, is really like poppy-ish, like you can hear it. Yeah, and it's rubber and plastic. It's really poppy. It pops, and you know what? Let's see on the other side.
Let the viewers have a look. Pop it on the floor, put it there, let's have.
So good, I know.
Okay, so Violet, what is your rating of the fidget toy?
Probably like a 10 out of 10.
Ooh, go 10 out of 10. Next fidget toy, the infinity cube. I really like it because
It's 4D.
if you have a look, it's just goes on forever and it's just, you can just, so calming. So basically it's just like you play with it and it never ends. And if you look at my other videos, look, in case it pops out, like you see, it's just got to, it goes like all wonky. Let's just line that all back together.
Yeah, like that.
You can see. And then what you will do, you just bang that in and you would, ooh, wait, let's just put that and bang, there's your infinity cube. Right, she's already got her next fidget. What is it, Violet?
It's what's it called again?
Rubik's Cube.
It's a Rubik's Cube, so you can sort it into little. This is not mine, it's my brother. Just let my brother, I'll just do mine. So mine.
Alright, let me show you how it's actually working, infinity cube. Oh no, the Rubik's Cube. So basically, you have it all muddled up, as you can see. And you've just got to try and solve it. See if I can solve one end for you. Don't think I really can. Just gonna try, okay, don't judge me. Let me have a look. It's actually really hard. There we go. Green is sorted. Okay.
I've got my new
Next
fidget.
fidgets.
So I've got this puppet, but it's really pop. So it's thing.
Okay, talking about fidget spinners.
Yeah.
This is another one that we got.
Yeah. And then we got this bluish one.
But this one, if you have a look, don't really work.
Yeah.
And then we also got this black one.
Yeah, and we got this one really
It's
fast.
weird. So is this. Okay, and now I guess we only have puppets left, so grab your puppets. I'm going to grab this one one's mine. And basically this one has a good side. And then a bad side. Right, so let's have a look here. Put this there. See? So don't really make a noise. That's my sister pop in.
Yeah.
2, bam, 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 bam. Okay.
And
What's
now
that?
my turn.
And then, see? You hear the difference, yeah? And then I do that sometimes.
And then it's my go after him, so yeah.
And then sometimes I do my special. Just put it up. Alright,
Okay.
now we're just gonna black out my sis.
Okay, so I got this puppet. You say, can you see the words on it? Yeah. Nice. So it's nice popping it. So satisfying. Yeah. And you see how nice it is, the texture on it. It releases stress after you're really mad. And then you see the difference on the other side. It doesn't really go that good. It's not a lot of sound. It's only a little bit of sound, yeah. So yeah, and then we got it. And then you see how good it is. Nice and stress reliever. And now on to the other side. And then it can easily do this. And then we get a pot it.
Okay, so everyone, that is it for the fidget toy review.
Yeah.
So now we're going to go over the reviews. Let's ask Violet. Violet, what is that review?
That is a 10 out of 99.
No, it's either something out of 10.
Yeah, 10 out of 10.
Ooh, 10 out of 10. Now it's my go. I feel like this could be upgraded because it's like, if you have a look, do this, it goes like, it's not really that. So I'm going to say a 9 out of 10 for the Infinity Cube.
Yeah.
Next, Violet has
The puppet spinning. So guys, yeah.
no, leave it there.
Do you know what it is? It's probably, so you see, got colours.
So what's the rating?
It's probably 6 out of 10.
Not that good then. The puppet.
A 6 out of 10.
I really like it. It's quite hard on one end, but then easy on the other. So I'm gonna give it a good 8. Now, let's go straight back to me. This fidget spinner, I'm pretty sure, is it not? I don't think it's this one, but I can get these rings out. But look,
Yeah.
so that's really nice. That's a 10 out of 10. Last but not least,
The puppet.
actually no, this is last but not least, the Rubik's Cube. It's just amazing. Just sometimes it gets caught, but then you get just suffer from it really easily. It's that
Yeah.
a 9 out of 10.
And I love this. So it's rainbowish. I like it. So I'll give that a 10. A good 10 out of 9.
So 9 out of 10.
Yeah, and remember to subscribe, turn on the notification, and just stay sturdy.
Thumbs up. Bye.